Hey guys, if you want to learn data structures and you are stuck at LinkedList, this video is made for you. Here we shall break down LinkedList into baby stuff. You can imagine LinkedList as a train, but in this train all the compartments are going to be identical by structure. Notice that each compartment has different color. To make things simple and easy, we are going to implement the above idea in our code directly. Each of these compartments will be called a node. In our program, we shall define a node class with property color and a link to the next node. A class is nothing but the blueprint of an object. When an object is created using this node class, it is going to look like one of these train compartment with a certain defined color, in this case green. Back to our train, since we removed the engine, we must do something to mark the front end of the train. We call the first node created as head node. So in our linked list, we define a head node. Every time we search for any node, we always start from head. In this video, we are going to learn insertion in linked list. For this, we must consider scenarios like we are adding a new compartment to the existing train and also that we are adding the first compartment, the head node. In the first two lines, we create the node and set its color. Then we check if the head value is null. If true, it indicates that this is the first insertion. So we simply set the head value and return. Next time, we update the head next value to the current node. But what about the third and fourth insertion? We must update the next value of the last node in the list. Therefore, we iterate to the end of the list using a simple while loop. Now let's understand how this while loop works. In the first insertion, the head value is null, so the head value is updated. Next time, the head value is not null. The compiler enters the else block. Here, we have used a temporary node to store the value of head. The conditional block checks if the temp next is null. Yes, it is. So we update the temp next value with the new node. This while loop iterates until it finds that the next node of temp is null, and in the loop we update temp with the next node. When the loop ends, we simply link the new node at the end of the list. That's all about insertion in linked list. Comment below your thoughts on the video. Keep coding with a cup of coffee.